we divide 633 by 2 in long division method. So 2 times 3 is 6. On subtracting we get 0. So now we put down this 3 and 2 times 1 is 2. On subtracting we get 1. So now again we put down this 3 and it is 13. So 2 times 6 is 12. On subtracting we get 1. So now this 1 is less than 2 and there is no other number to put it down. So we take here decimal so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 2 times 5 is 10. On subtracting we get 0. So 633 divided by 2 is 316 decimal 5. So this much for today and thanks for watching.